wasiba kulungi omulebi wa KR Media twakushemererwa webale kutwegita umushahano nje nkezi zo kureberamu ebikushemeza ebirakusesye ebirakunyumira okahura omutima gwaterera wagaruka muka nabwo ekyo twakwakira a program yitu erizoba twatayira omukuru His Excellency Vale Music erizoba tujane buzo bisi tujane buzo bintu twenda kumanya neka kantabiberaho akoba nimbasa kubiberaho kandi mugire ashika yabitugambire byakwenda kubuza reka tubanze tumanye omukoro kuyasiba okwarire na nokwari tubanze tumanye nawe sakubarwire turi ahantu tuza kwegeragera wasibota omukoro Vale Music His Excellency
nasiba kurungi mukazi and fresh
ni kirungi tine hakushasha
Importante je buzima shane mirembe niye kunshasha
emirembe kandi
ubusinge bwingi no mana buno kuretera ubuzima
tuwa kuturemiwe twenda kubasa
ubusinge n'ubukozinge bizubu bya problems
kale mazima twashemererwa kuba niwa program yitu kandi I believe abarebe bitu bashemererwa kureba mazumerizo
nanye nimba nishemererwa of course kunkuba ninjoining KR Media ankaburijo kanagambire ikaba family numanyambaho kusyayo mission yanje ko kunkugenda as well nanye ntinshemeza so I'm glad also to be here again
mbwenu next time wanoza nko mu family gathering tukulate
munonga nani mama muzaye munyete
twenda kukurati wewe ngataro byo kutukurata
it's okay nimwijana tubabagire mbuzi nimuriyamwe ebine nituma ebindi nkebe
kandi wagamba kuryaho no wandeta ini
kaje mbamure ba family members batine kurya tukanyumirwa
mazima nchurungi hati Vale Music twendo banze tutangaze mu abintu bya mbere ni nzunga nuko himbe ni nzunga nagwa video y'umwana ariko jambu wechikono nchango music industry so nyenda kumanya iwe chikono kachireba ningiwe boom kikanoraba
chikono think chimanyaza nyawe
no nakushoborere kare kashoborere Vale Music chikono kuba niwo murebino wasako bota kuchimanya o music industry
ngo chikono chine opposite
kama ni chebero mfairo zanje nde nanchine
chebera
kare chikono nkoko kurga hako wano pushing a music yawe ori upcoming most of the times unaweza kuza kushabanka stage ninga shot warenka music wawe let's say nka radio omuntu playing all yima they're like what's this but tambe come trash ninga iwe no manyangu you've really hinaho chire waza kushaba stage omuntu akwereke mbu you're not yet there so iwo kachifacing aho ninga
let me first tell you this ati wagira ngo wayereba ngo hinaho hikire then waza kushaba stage cyo kimayisa ngo noyereba kuba umuntu ayina noyereba kubi abo kuba umuntu ayina hashikire to kushaba stage nibagishaba
upcoming na shaba stage
upcoming ni kimayisa
someone that is in process
umuntu ari kushaba stage nabashemere kuba na expecting ebintu byona tashemeye kuja kutiterera nduru kandi ngo baji muima because nayo agishaba umuntu wamushaba no expecting either kwa ninga kuima
wamushabara yes not expecting a kwima but omuntu na kwima on top of it akuteraho ebigambo bingi ninga like they kinda disrespect you in a way no it's not the fact that in kubo in hit waza kuza ku presenting anything
it's the fact ngo in kuba no twazi bwoti oti in hit because she went ne yashonga noza kutembera anyhow ze kushininga anyhow tine byora biremo who are you
omweshongoze muto tuze koronda hit so hati ojecho tukirigire kuba twamanya twine koronda hit tutakagira mbyo koronda stage, right? But kandi the witchcraft saga, you know, jigamba hochi
tinkujigamba ko batine chinkujimanya
tena cha kujimanya. Okay. Prince Exit claims mbo he was bewitched, yeah, echamukozinjire ku okale chamuletire kugaruka enyuma kinda, yeah. Not only him, a number of people abayimbi bizere mbachigamba. So dokuza kunjira ngwiwe tokuchenga ninga you've not had anyone talk about it, ninga you have not seen it anywhere.
Ati nani nyishabana nyimbaze kubuza ati jene pora okosa common sense yawe no manyanga hari umuntu uba kuba barogire then ari kumanya murogire.
That is normal.
Umuntu nababa murogire then ari kumanya murogire, you know common sense yawe niko yakikwereka ngukira normal echo nuko kiri.
Omuntu nono manya mwana muineho beef.
Umuntu baba murogire umuntu ekateka yanje ndekateka ngo ashimere ko bari icyatine kuba konkata kumanya ngoko wakureba umugwiraro tashime kuba namanya bwencha gwiriro because nata kumanya konka washanga no manya bwencha gwiriro nche mayisa ngo riye gwisize oba wakacenga.
No, that's true. Omugwiriro takumanya ngo agwiriraro, but ori anagamba mbu bakamuloga okuloga omuntu kuloga ni kintu kirebuka
kandi nyo think kimanya mwe ko bakikora nda kumbuze bintine ukakwate binta kumanya ati ngoga batanga banze mbure banze umushobore baroga bata tindu murogo please you know leto techibuzo chabarogo tari murogo
kare na tindu murogo. So meaning
the fact is nibabigamba na nimba nimbereba konka nyonko muntu nintekateka ngo nyonyi nenjere inkureba mwese nza kutambuza mpora lifestyle ati nureba nk'abajungu ebintu bakora abwira bwinji byona babikopa nature waza kora kamera norango bakajikoparisho ryo muntu ningasherisho waza kureba microphone norango ziriyo matu waza kureba anything buri kintu cyone cyo kureba. So kuza side yo bwongo brains umujungu akija yakora mu kweta nka storages memory card flash inabiki, okay, nzozo keepinga data ya yo kuba no yenda baba bazi kopere aha brains ruhangezi yahanjire umuntu zo keepinga data zawe zo kuyamba gumuri nomo abenshi no barwa nkaro nomo, it's because no basa kuyijuka. Okay, the reason abenshi umuntu naba nomo is because nabasa kuyimuka ko kusimuka mukasheshe ujuka ho komene nyumwazi. Okay, so memory card zeze nziyo za virus umujita hebinto garuko shanga bitaro hati na nobongo bw'abantu sometimes zo mwe nubuzaho virus umushanga street atajurire mpare akacenga umuntu umushanga street atajurire mpare kimanyisa ngo bongo bukazaho virus akacenga. So at the end of it all umuntu naine koronda reason okuya kubasa coming out of that situation naine kubashobora ata bando jiri, yeah, konka just obongo nubu bwagiro virus nezaho kandi nenerwaho aruza antiviruses.
Okay, kandi gateke gutwa kacenga konka anyway ekaturuga ari juju wabantu tuze ari twaza kwategereza je General Gion is one of the I can call him a legend of Western music, if I can say. Yes. So
Mayango mana kantera message yanje ngo bari here in Dubai we even play your music in church. Nambuza which song ngo okitwa kwehura. Can you imagine? Mimi mshazero kumanbehera abantu mutyo.
Kato bahame konka. Generation kare. Generation yitu. Generation yakureka ba Sister Charity na ba Rasta Chazi na ba habona like people abatantireho generation yitu music aba crossing like aba iziro mu the beginning of our generation, yeah. I believe ntubala general Gioni n'abatahibe yabakola tawaho my basis is on of course yes no they are yes it's true they are legends because nuboto atandikire yeah nuboto atandikire I call them legends because twangere twikirize nibabakira
shana hoja twangere twikirize mbwe bya force
ntuzakibajema kongani bakora nibabakira
they are yeah
nibabakira either miaka either the time they have spent in the industry na never kozereho yes probably but ntwija tureba ngu abantu abo at some point baka garuka nyuma ningashi brands zabo zikija za garuka nyuma tenda jengo bakagwa kuba it's a little bit weird but bakagaruka nyuma because they still push but still ebintu bakolachi bakagaruka nyuma in a way and they believe into
bakashaya kushaya avuge mutoko mbyondo
echo tikuza kolachi echo tikuza kuchikozesanya babo kuba
waje bakagaruka nyuma hakiro washaya ko nana agenda mumisho
no you just kind of step koba
gambira akagamba kangu ya trista kangu singo kugaruka nyuma ni kibi
omweni yongere ngo bakashaya
ituma yengu
kuru yatugera ngo general Gioni na nabantu abandi abeshongoza abandi batankero generation yitu almost an music industry bakashaya konka twenda kumanya hati bakashaya batani ngacho cyamanyisaki
ikigambo kushaya ikigambo cyo nyankore nkimanyisa kuremererwa mu ntambura na mnonga wari yo mbyondo konka tinagira ngo bakashaya kuba tinayebuza wagira ngo bakagaruka nyuma nacha kanisa akuba umuntu twakubashayire atiste nanagendo misho naremererwa mukake konka natagaruka nyuma
kadesebo cyo twascenga so hati iyo ekikuru twantendo tugambere mnabagira ngo hakazamwe ibintu bya witchcraft hazamu kajujaho ekikono cyaruma so ntwenda kumanya iwe no kigambo do you believe mbu kitufu bakola hojuju ninga it's
konka ari kubaruga ryo mu mbera ki
na of course nabasije
anje no muntu yakoroganiwe mu ruge mu bisanye yana amayakorogani basa because akukira kumanya ngo ikintu baceto kuroga no yahura sirimu ahamushwira kimanyisa ngo noza kuronda ARVs ninga panado hatu hano yahura ubundo burwira hiraro ninga shaka kuroga no gendo rondo mubazi go burogo
iwo kalogo muntu because yakusingaho
inguma yo kuba kuroga by the way konko kuroga kwankushana no kurya ninga ko kuteka ibyo nimbe basa bamba jango gendo keke meredero nako bawa mumara I can
okay konka walabiro ryaho kwikiriza ngo nankana nsinga and okijiza ngo nankaya nsinga ukadakora cyashake cyakukwata
yabashana batsinga mushawe hati ndakungira ngo nyoni mbasa kwengana na Cristiano Ronaldo shabi na man abamwe ngatubona nito tina butkusinga umunso mu buri yomwe bajangu ibe gaturikingana n'umutu ngati kumayisa ngama bega gona nigingana ryanje ndinga ndisinga ari twayemera baba kacenga
nakacenga kosebo kature ate kinde cyora dushobore iwe ebyo kuhebya ebyajuju abantu wabihakana wabibuzabuza konka I think abantu abamwe mu music industry no shoti they have the same complaint almost tomwe tababiri nti nibafuna obuzibu bwoku babantu kuba labya mwamisho na kuba tele kikono omuntu akakusindika mpaka akakusya akisika but still ntuza kwenda kumanya if omuntu olikuba ari omuryeje embera eyo kunyigizibwa embera yo kusindikirizibwa like they're trying to push, but someone is trying to pull them down or back or something. Huh? So you will know like in case someone is in such a situation.
Ndega mbavine kuguma because nzo steps zibine kurabamo. Hariho ibintu mu nsome bitakubasa kwehara. Nenda kwijusya ngo tukazarwa turi bagufu. Shaje turi baringwa hamwe tuza kuraho tubanza turinama. You see? So nchimasa ibintu bimwe biri ya plan za ruhanga no wakumanya ryari, wakumana inche zora akomeho, muza kushanga no cyenda no kwiyongera higuru. So byona biri mu plan za ruhanga. Uryo mu ishongozi no you should expect such. Namnonga utakashiraho kuza. Yeah.
Kale ubwo yabari Vale Music aha nshongaza batahibeye kuterwe kikono na no kugera kona konka ito byona bikiri aho ito tukuza kurekeraho kwenda kufuna music wawe of course we still want the music so aha bwecho tutakahendire ningashindu kuza kuhendera ninyenda ogaruko twakapela tugende ntwijuka ngo umuntu witu twakora ki twamusigayo kandi tugende tumanya ngo umuntu witacire nakora ki na cooking nasigara ndi Daisy Watts okusyaho umushongozi witu His Excellence Vale Music reka tuhendeze na kapera
reke shongore ki endizara mabere gonsi abacara barebera mukazo kankunda eje myeze mwenda nkuri omundani mparani nyitsya nindyani nzana ngo takarire nimbanza narya ngo takanywire nimbanza nanywa ngo takabyamire nimbanza mpya yeah eroga batata bihinduire nanyoboro mbuhingwire nanye ntakarire no banza warya nabanza yanywa natekwa joie